This video has been put together to provide you with information on how to remain safe whilst working near water. Working near water is dangerous. There are many hazards to consider, such as flow, temperature, debris, as well as unseen hazards including depth, objects and trap hazards. Hazards can also be man-made, such as locks and weirs. A weir, as shown here, is a barrier across the width of the river which changes the flow of the water. This causes recirculating water with an associated loss of buoyancy, which can trap people and debris very easily. Floodwaters present a significant hazard to a would-be rescuer, as any object, visible or not, will become a risk. These objects include rocks, undergrowth, roots, man-made objects like shopping trolleys and manhole covers, which pose a significant risk of foot entrapment to people in water. Upon arriving on scene, stop. It is imperative to obtain a good overview. Think. Incidents around water can be dynamic, involved and often emotive, therefore an early update and request of specialist resources is essential. Keep yourself safe. Provision of life-saving PPE is available to you through HART and the fire service. This is a legal requirement and should be worn when working within 3 meters of the water's edge. On receipt of the life jacket, make sure there are 2 green bars visible in the inspection window. To don the life jacket, place arms inside as shown here and fasten the buckle. Now secure the retaining strap between your legs. In the event of contact in water, the life jacket will self-inflate and should rotate the wearer onto their back. Should the life jacket not inflate automatically, pull down hard on the red toggle to manually inflate. There is a tube on the left to top up if required, and a whistle for attracting attention. HART have the training and equipment to work alongside the fire service in the water.
Swimmer, look at me! I'm going to throw you a line! Catch the line!
This is why early request of specialist resources is important. Patients in water are unpredictable and present a hazard in themselves. Deciding on the most appropriate means of rescue is difficult, and following a risk assessment, the rescue formula can help a rescuer decide on the best course of action. This is made up of shout, reach, throw, row and go.
Swimmer, look at me! Are you hurt? Can you swim to me? Okay, can you reach this pole? Can you reach it? Okay, the frame of line! Take hold of the line! Roll onto your back!
If these initial attempts are unsuccessful or unsuitable, then a higher risk rescue can be carried out by the fire service or HART. This will most likely be by rowing a rescue sled out to the casualty.
Swimmer, look at me! Are you hurt? Okay, we're going to send someone to you!
Actively putting a rescuer into the water to swim out to the casualty is the last resort. This is the most high-risk option. It should only be undertaken by trained staff once all other elements of the rescue formula have been considered.
I've got you. Five metres out, Pete. 2, 1.
Stop, think, and keep yourself safe.